Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Clear conditions out there today. We should have a nice few days ahead of us. Temperatures are rising pretty quickly at about 45 degrees right now, and we could see some highs up to about 50, maybe exceeding that the way temperatures are rising at the moment. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we can see high pressure is dominating our region at the moment and will continue to dominate until this cold front moves into the area Thursday evening in the overnight hours. And then we'll see some high pressure building behind that, and then before our next weather system during the weekend. Take a look at the upper air winds from this morning, sounding southeasterly winds below 1,000 feet, relatively weak. As we move up to the middle of the column, around 3,000 to 12,000 feet, we do see the winds become more westerly, southwesterly, or more westerly and become more southwesterly as we get around 25,000 feet and winds at about 45 knots. The freezing level this morning is at 6,300 feet. Taking a look at the current satellite image, we do see those clear skies out there, and in our area we are seeing those winds start to pick up a little bit this morning out of the southeast at about 8 knots, but again, we're not expecting those winds to get too gusty throughout the day today. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model, as we move throughout the day, again, clear conditions for the next couple of days, not expecting any precip. We will have that weak cold front move through the area Thursday evening into Friday morning. Won't really, it should be a dry front and might kick up a few extra clouds, high clouds, but otherwise just a little bit cooler temperatures, but no big effect from that. So we get pretty clear conditions, a few nice mild days as we get in, before we get into the weekend, where we'll see our next weather maker. From there, we'll jump over to the GFS, where we see the cold front that is dropping into our area during the day on Saturday, and that could meet up with a southern stream of energy and cause the development of a low pressure system off the southeast coast. At the moment, there's some disagreement into the timing and what kind of precip will fall, but there's good confidence that we will see some precip, maybe in the form of rain, maybe ending with some snow, depending on how cold the air is. But we'll be narrowing down those details and updating as we get closer to the event. After that low pressure moves out, we'll get a nice shot of cold air behind that, and some clear conditions for the beginning of the week next week. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, again, clear conditions as we move throughout the day today. Could see highs around 50 degrees, maybe just above that. We'll see the winds pick up a little bit out of the south-southeast before backing off as we get into the overnight hours, becoming more southwesterly. Lows in the mid to upper 30s. We're looking at the next 7 days. Again, a nice few days ahead of us, Thursday and Friday. Partly cloudy conditions. Could see some slightly breezy conditions in the afternoon hours before kind of calming down in the evening hours. Highs in the mid to upper 50s and lows in the mid 30s. Saturday will likely be the warmest day. Could be slightly breezy that day as well. Highs in the mid to upper 50s. And we will see some increasing clouds as we get into Saturday evening. Ahead of that system expected to impact the area Sunday and maybe linger around into Monday night. So Sunday we'll see a quick change in temperatures as that system moves in and starts to bring in some cold air. And behind that we'll see back to our wintry temperatures and to start the week of next week. That wraps up your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again at 8:15 and 10 a.m. tomorrow. Have a nice day.